Hey guys, I need a little box, so I have this little piece and I want to make a little box out of it. So I'm going to show you a really quick, easy way of making a box. Now, I've got this, and this is 1.5" Tim Holtz ruler. You can use any ruler, but I figured my sides, I'd make them 1.5", so I'm just putting them up against the edge all the way around. Taking my pencil, try and get it nice and straight. And marking all 4 sides. Okay, and just so you know, that's going to give me 2.5 inches in the inside, which I'm cool with. Okay, now I'm gonna, and just so you guys know, your scissors that you like to trim, you know, nice paper with and stuff, don't use that on chipboard-ish type things, because it will dull them. These are the Tim Holtz scissors. Now I'm just cutting out. I cut down this side all the way to where the pencil marks come to a point, and here I'm going to leave about 1/2 inch before the score line. Okay, again I'm going to cut down all the way and leave about 1/2 inch on before the score line. Same with this. I'm going to cut down. I'm going to cut all of them along the same line right down to the other marking, and then flip it and give myself 1/2 inch left for a flap, which is what it is gonna be, is a flap. Now I'm going to clean all this off. Okay, so now I'm going to take a little scoreboard, and this will do a good enough job, and I just kind of scoring right, oop, I got off onto a different line there, so trying to line this up and score right down, but you don't have to. You don't need to take it much further than that. There we go. And score right along. Whoops, that wasn't straight. Probably just as easy to just run your tool right along the pencil line, for as good a job as I was doing. There we go, and it does make it okay. And then all we're going to do is fold the little flaps over. I didn't score those very well. So where's my pencil marks? Gonna score right along the pencil marks. Oops. There we go. Okay. So now we're going to pull these ends, the short ends up, and pull the long ends up, and we're going to, I'm going to use score tape because I don't want to sit here and hold glue until it dries. And that's the end of that one. but that'll work. And then you've got, oh come on. I'm not decorating this or anything. This is just, I needed a box to hold some of my supplies for this that I'm making. I had, let me get another one of these. Sorry for the noise of the plastic. I find that most irritating. Okay. And oopsie. Okay. Fit that right around, that right in the fold. Push that right around. So there we go. Now, I have all of these that I have done. I take all the stickers off the sticker sheet and I stick them on to whatever I'm going to back them on. And then I cut them all out while I'm sitting watching TV with my husband. And in this case, I also took them when I had an appointment with my dad. So I just had them in this plastic bag, and I just dropped all my papers in it so I didn't make a mess in the doctor's office. So I just have to, but anyway, so that is how I kind of prep some of my ephemera that you get with sticker packs and stuff. That way I only got to do it once. I ink around the edges so that you don't see the white from the sticker sheet, and that's about it. So next time you see me, we're going to be working on the book, decorating the book up. But I just wanted you to see how to do a really quick box for holding just about anything you need. And that works with any size. You could start with a 12 by 12 sheet and figure out what your sides are, make it the same all the way around, or you can do it, you know, whatever piece. This is just a scrap piece I had. Figured out what my sides were going to be, just did it all the way around, get rid of the centers, leave yourself enough for the tags, the tabs to come over on the ends, and you're good to go. Okay guys, talk to you later. Thanks for joining me. Give me a big thumbs up if you like this little quick thing, and please subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, and hit that little bell when you do subscribe, and you'll catch all my videos. Talk to you later. Bye.